To use the camera on your Pixel phone, open the Camera app. To take a photo, tap the Shutter button. To view the photo you just took, on the left of the Shutter button, tap the Photo Preview. To take a selfie, on the right of the Shutter button, tap the Switch Camera icon. To change the zoom level, tap on the numbered zoom options. Hold and drag your finger over the zoom options to get the right zoom level, or pinch to zoom in and out. To adjust settings, at the bottom left, tap the gear icon. Here you can adjust settings for the photo mode you're in. For photo mode, that's settings like auto night sight, top shot, motion photos, and more. If you have a Pro phone, switch to the Pro tab to adjust Pro settings like 50MP, RAW, and manual lens selection.